Hey, if you wonder if you can record phone calls by using your Xiaomi Buds 5, then yes, you can actually do this. And I was actually testing this for my phone, my microphone, and this microphone from the second device. And it will actually recognize your voice when you are speaking, and also it also register the voice of the second person. And you can find your records just right here. But what is very important that you should actually start recording this video, the voice, when you pick up the phone call. So when someone is actually calling you, take a look, like in my case right now. There we go. You will have to answer to this phone call, and right now you will have to use this pinch gesture like this, click and hold, and then it will start recording this. And after you finish the call, it will automatically finish, and then you can find this right here in the earphones, so you have to click to save all to the phone. And now you will be redirected into the phone and you will be able to listen into your phone calls. So yes, this function works, and that will be all.